Hi, this is James Turner. I'm the lead designer at My Island Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to optimize images for our WordPress website. The first step is to organize your images, and one of the best ways to organize your images is to create an image folder. And inside this image folder, create a separate folder for each page of your website. You will then place all the home page images in the home folder, About Us page images in the About folder, then repeat this process for each page of your website. If you are not sure where you will be using the images, you can place them in the Images folder and decide later where to use them. The next step is naming the images, which is the most important step in this process. We're going to be using the home page folder for this tutorial. You need to give each picture or image a name that describes it accurately, and you will want to include keywords related to the image, your page, and the website if applicable, without being spammy. The goal is to provide an accurate description of the image in context with the page and where it will be placed on the page. For example, if the image is a team photo of an employee, then add the name and title of the person in that photo. Here are examples of images we will be using in this tutorial. So the shopping online using a mobile phone image becomes shopping-online-using-a-mobile-phone. So let's rename that image. File names should contain only lowercase letters and numbers, with dashes separating the words. Do not use underscores or any special characters. Next, you will want to use a graphics program to resize the pictures or images to the maximum container width for the column where they will be added. You may crop the image if desired, then optimize the image to reduce the size of the file. Section, row, and column width for different themes will vary, so consult your theme documentation for the proper width for these areas. We're going to be using PaintShop Pro to size, crop, and optimize the pictures for this tutorial, but there are many free or paid image programs that will allow you to size, crop, and optimize your images. Open the image in your graphics editor and resize the image, then export it. You can use the image optimization tools provided by the editor or upload your files to shortpixel.com or tinypng.com for optimization. We're going to resize this image to 1080, so 1080 pixels in width. There we go. We're going to export it as a JPEG. We're optimizing that image and we're saving it right here. And there you go. We've just optimized and sized the image. The final step is to upload the images to your WordPress website. Add the title and alt tags, which is very easy to do. However, you'll want to add the title and alt tag to match the file name as closely as possible. Though it is fine if the title and alt tags are slightly different. For example, we don't always use words like and or the in the file name, but we often add these as part of the title and alt tags. Let's open WordPress and add the images to the media library. Next, we're going to add the optimized title and alt tags. In this instance, it's going to be shopping online using a mobile phone. So we're going to add it to the title and alt tags. And that's all there is to it. We have optimized our images for WordPress, including the file name, file size, title, and alt tags. There are plugins that will help you with some of these steps, but we recommend editing your images manually because image optimization impacts your SEO, helping you rank higher in web searches and Google image searches. Properly named images are even more helpful if your business is visual in nature, like a photography studio, travel company, online store, or another type of business that uses a lot of images. Thank you for watching this short tutorial. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.